limitedresources.com. This is our payboxtimer.com box, and this is a demonstration of the one box running both machines. And so what we do in this instance, these are both independent timers. So this one is set to 5 minutes for 25 cents, and the other one is quarter for 5 minutes. And so what happens is, when you, depending on where you want your money to be to go, whether you want it to go to the washer or you want it to go to the dryer, you simply press the button. The top light illuminates, and that should turn green. And if you press the dryer button, that light illuminates, and the box on the coin acceptor will turn green also. So just to demonstrate, what we're going to do is send money over to the dryer. So we press this button, and we have to hold it. If we release it and we try to insert a coin, it just rejects it. Again, so if we insert a coin without pressing the button, pressing and holding, it will reject the coin. And we've inserted 2 quarters into the top washer slot, and as you can see, it's counting down from 10 minutes. Again, what we did, we inserted another quarter for the bottom dryer, and you can see that it is at counting down from 5 minutes. These 2 timers work independently. So if the top one washer finishes, the bottom continues to run until it reaches 0. That is the first payment option. The second payment option is credit cards. They're all built in. You download the app, and it accepts all major credit cards. The landlord, the money gets deposited into their bank account. You simply connect your bank account to our website, and it goes directly into your account. And the payout is every 3 days. And so that is the second option. Everything is included. And the third way is to pay with prepaid codes. Prepaid codes are both free for both the tenant to use and the landlord. And the way they work is that you download the app, and instead of charging the credit card, you charge for a prepaid code. You give the tenant will give the landlord, for example, $50 for the year, and they will give them a secret code which they put into the app. And once that's done, they will use that $50 like a bank balance until it reaches 0. And once it reaches 0, the tenant can give the landlord more funds to increase the balance, and that way there's always money to use for your washer, dryer, and your shower. And here is the app. Here, once you open the app, I'll demonstrate to you here. And you hit Find Paybox. And as you can see here, the numbers correspond to the top one, which is ends in 012, and you simply select. And it says connected via Bluetooth, and it highlights it in red. And at the bottom here, we have 2. We have prepaid code or charge using credit card. In our situation, we select 60 minutes, gives you a time of, let's say, 60 minutes for $3. And you go to the prepaid side, and you would go on here. Charge prepaid code. There you have it. And then the payment gets sent from the phone to the timer. And as you see, the Bluetooth had disconnected and the timer is incrementing for an additional 60 minutes. So you can mix and match payments. You can pay 10 minutes with quarters or loonies, or with a credit card and also prepaid codes. And there you have it. Now you have 1 hour and 19 minutes and counting down. And if you'd like to add more time, you can select that again, connect via Bluetooth, and there you have it, it's connected again. So I want to summarize by saying there's 3 payment options. Everything comes included: coins, prepaid codes, and credit cards. Credit cards, there is no monthly fee, and there is a per transaction cost by Visa and MasterCard of 2.8% plus 40 cents per transaction, which is paid by the tenant as a convenience fee for using the credit card system. So it doesn't cost the landlord anything. And you would download the app at android.limitedresources.us, put that in the browser, and also iphone.limitedresources.us. You can also text us at 647-931-1829 if you have any questions or support issues. So when you're using coins, you push and hold while inserting the coins. This is Limited Resources Paybox Timer. We can be reached at 647-931-1829.